Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Ya, selamat datang.
Selamat datang.
Lagi
Ya.
di Ya Kak. Pak, jadi aku dah hype sikit.
Dari
Alright.
episode 1 sampai sekarang kira korang
siapa suka berbual?
korang
Gitu je.
tak korang better lah sekarang
Yes, yes.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Tapi tetap
out of tune
lah.
kalau 10 lagi 10 tahun lagi.
So, tadi ada orang mainkan key. So,
Okey.
kita dah try. Kita
Yes.
main key tadi.
Yes.
Siapa main kaki?
Ha?
Okey.
Okay, sekali lagi kita bersama Hailey dan Sufi.
yes.
Kita dah ingat nama diorang.
Alhamdulillah.
So, kalau korang sesiapa
Nama
yang
panjang siapa tadi?
Zuhaili, Muhammad Zuhaili.
Dan nama panjang aku? Aku bagi kau saya nama panjang aku sampai moyang aku.
Muhammad Sufi.
Tak ada.
Abdul Sufi.
Dah move on lah.
Okay,
Dah
moving on. Okay, so kalau sesiapa yang baru saja tune in pada episod kali ini,
Yes.
okay, ini adalah dua sahabat kita yang dari belakang takbir lah. Belakang takbir, dorang
Tabir,
lah.
tabir.
Takbir tu
Takbir lain.
lain.
Allahu akbar Allah. Itu takbir.
La ilaha illallah. Okay.
Tak payah
Nah, tak payah tak.
So dorang
Kau
lah
berbual,
orang
repeat lagi.
orang kuat-kuat daripada Wolfpack lah. So
Yeah.
kita hari ni nak discuss sikit sebab ada orang request nak sambungkan cerita benda ni sebab hari tu me and Ustaz Fali ada berbual pasal conspiracy theory.
Yes.
Okay, conspiracy theory ni I think in general terms
So kita masukkan conspiracy theory ni dalam kita punya podcast juga. Ada.
yes.
Okay.
So
Boleh?
conspiracy theory ni jangan terlalu taksub sangat kan. Benda ni ada macam fiction, non-fiction. Jangan even masukkan tentang agama pun lah.
Okay.
Sebab this is technically macam okay, as of now lah. Sekarang ni kita
Okay.
nak bawa pasal flat earth.
Betul.
So flat
Okay.
earth. So aku have done my research. Okay, back then
Okay.
I believe that the world is round.
Okay.
Okay, and then after I've seen videos, after I've seen that NASA is proven tak pergi pun ke bulan, dia orang stage benda tu semua, everything dah proven, benda tu dah terbuka. Even when orang suruh pergi kat all the astronauts kasih kat Bible lah, suruh dia, sumpah kau pernah pergi tak? Tak nak.
Tak berani.
Dia die don't want, tak nak cakap. So kita sekarang kita go on a debate sekecil
Okay.
small debate sikit. Kenapa I feel that
Jangan sampai bertumbuk je lah.
tak ada.
InsyaAllah.
Tapi kau dah on the way
Aku
Kau dah
tak
dalam
nak
dia.
cakap aku on the way,
Okay.
tapi kira
Kau dah start to do your work.
engkau jual ke aku dah start beli lah kira.
Okay.
Ya.
Berapa lu jual beli lah.
Okay.
Kau kena joget lah kira.
Wah, okay.
Yes. So kenapa aku feel yang the world, okay, kita honestly tak tahu whether the earth is round atau flat sebab none of us pernah pergi bulan apa.
Betul.
Betul tak? Ustaz Fat pernah pergi bulan? Belum lagi
ya.
Belum dalam mimpi, umpama mimpi.
Dah,
Dalam
sudah.
bulan.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think I already discuss kenapa I say the world is actually flat. Actually ada banyak benda lah daripada hari tu. So the simplest one is pilot kapal terbang ikut flat earth punya map. Diorang tak ikut the round earth punya map. Kalau ikut round earth punya map kan,
Okay, Sabas.
kan
Macam mana kau tahu?
sebab aku went did my research.
Oh, did you research lah?
Yes.
Okay.
So kalau ikut round earth punya map, dia nak pergi negeri A, pergi negeri B, dia mesti akan macam tak masuk akal, dia pusing the other side baru dia sampai sini. Padahal dia boleh cut across. Tapi kalau kau ikut flat earth punya map kan, it shows sini pergi sini.
Okay, so flat earth pay map is the maps that we see in museums and whatever not.
That's a flat punya round earth.
Oh, dia beza
It's a
eh?
different map.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Flat down earth.
Yes, it's a different map.
Okay.
It's
dah.
a completely
Okay.
different
Kita
map.
percaya. Dah. Ada benda nak buat. Okay.
Oh, really ah?
Yes,
It's a
yes.
completely...
Okay, thank you everyone for tuning in. Kita dah tahu siapa menang.
Yes, the position is different.
Okay.
And then atau they kenapa none of the general public is allowed to go to Antarctica. Kau boleh pergi tapi kau tak boleh explore the whole Antarctica. Tak
So
ada orang
Antarctica tu siapa negara?
Antarctica is Antarctica on its own. Aku tak rasa it belongs to anybody kot. Tapi aku tahu US ada dia punya base kat
So
sana.
kalau tak ada, it doesn't belong to any country,
Kenapa kita tak boleh pergi?
Kenapa tak boleh pergi?
Pasal tak boleh pergi. But there's no there's no transportation that can bring you there.
Aeroplane tak ada.
Pusing.
Tak ada. Mana? Siapa orang pernah pergi? Siapa kawan kau pernah pergi Antarctica?
Siut lah
Orang
kawan.
ada buat macam research kat sana semua kan.
Yeah, ni.
Okay, penguin kat sana, betul penguin?
If you look at Discovery Channel, oh no, not Discovery. Geography.
Disney.
National
Not
Geographic.
Okay.
National Geographic.
National
Okay.
Geographic
Channel.
Channel.
Yes, that's one.
Okay.
Ada tunjuk tak? Antarctica?
I haven't seen that.
Oh, you have to do your own research.
Okay.
Ada. Dengar dulu.
Okay.
Ada. Dia punya itu dia. I mean from
Kau
there.
tengah research apa?
I mean tak. I mean from there,
Okay, go ahead.
then we know bentuk Antartika dia. How do you know the ice?
Okay. Apa
How do you know your eyes? Cik tak apa?
Antartika tu ada apa kat situ?
Nothing.
Air batu.
Air batu kan?
Correct.
Okay.
How do they know it's ice kalau tak pernah pergi?
So they went there for an expedition. Tak salah
Yes,
aku, they
yes,
have like
yes.
Yes,
a research
it can
center
be a
research
drone
something.
or it can be a thing, you know, satellite
Okay.
ke or whatever light gitu
Okay,
something.
sekejap.
Sabar, belum habis lagi.
Okay.
So means that you are permissible to go there.
Permissible.
Okay, let's go lah. Can we book a flight to Antarctica?
Who asked you to go book a flight?
Then
Kalau expedition macam tadi.
expedition. Okay.
Kalau you English. Expedition.
Okay.
Expedition, dorang ambil tak National Geographic apa tadi?
Geographic.
kalau
Rabak tahu,
nak,
Ustaz Fad.
nak senangkan
Rabak.
Fad, Ustaz,
Yes.
kalau nak senangkan Net Geo.
Net Geo.
Okay, Net
Okay,
Geo.
yang Net Geo ni
Net
dorang
Tak
buat
ada Net Geo je. Dia tak ada ain kat belakang. Tak ada. Net Geo.
bukan bahasa Arab
Bukan.
Net Geo.
Bukan. Okay, as simple as this you guys familiar with New World Order?
I'm not.
New World Order.
Why you changing topic?
Okay, sabar. I'm gonna go there.
Okay.
Sabar. Do you guys familiar with
I am
New World
not.
Order?
Yang
I am
rapper
not.
Yes, New World Order.
Bukan.
NWO.
Bukan. New World Order is where dalam dunia ni actually kita being controlled by certain families yang dictated. This is
Okay.
where macam Rothschild, all this Illuminati ni benda comes in lah. Okay, this thing has been dictated to tell the world. Okay, dorang dictate. Okay, the world is round. Dia kasih kita picture that the world is round. Jadi sampai kecil, daripada kecil kita belajar sampai ke besar. Sama dengan kita, daripada kita kecil kita nak belajar nak jadi astronaut. That has always been my dream nak jadi astronaut.
Oh, sebab tu kau sekarang world
That's why.
Okay.
So that's why sabar. So bila and kenapa dorang always sell the idea to kids be an astronaut, go to NASA. Padahal and as of now 2023 dorang debunk benda tu that NASA never even went to space, never even went to the moon.
So does NASA exist now?
NASA exists
But
they have no they never been to the moon.
so dorang as a whole government body, dorang study space and
That's what they say lah.
whatever it is but they have never gone there.
Dia macam propaganda.
Okay.
So they trying to sell the idea.
Okay.
So kalau they can sell that, then what makes you think that the earth is really round?
Okay. Sekarang, let's say
Kau faham tak? Because dorang daripada kecil, dorang nak ajar korang, they already control all these things. Keluar media, what they're supposed to teach, dorang yang control.
Okay,
Dorang
sekejap.
yang bilang, dorang yang sabar dorang yang cakap, okay, scientist America says that the world is round, spread kat satu dunia. Semua cakap, betul lah, because scientist America cakap.
Yup.
Because to them, to us, it's a legit, authentic punya information.
Sahih lah
And
kira.
sekarang kita dah korek balik, banyak information daripada dorang, tak make sense tau. Kenapa? Kenapa 1969, dorang went to the moon at that technology. 1969 apa teknologi kita?
Yup.
Handphone belum ada pun aku rasa. Kan?
69 belum kot.
So, 1969. Tapi kita ada roket untuk pergi bulan. Make sense tak? And then kat bulan tu, dorang dah sampai bulan, the call presiden adalah Presiden Amerika angkat. Okay, we have reached the moon. Make sense tak? Padahal kat world ni sekarang, telefon, handphone pun belum ada. Telefon pakai telefon line tu pakai kat jalan raya masih ada telefon line. So, does it make sense?
Okay.
So that's why aku go back to New World Order is this organisation, New World Order, Illuminati semua kan, they dictate what they want to let people believe. Because kita have no access to the information.
Yep.
Okay.
So whatever you tell us, betul lah. Betul lah. So that's why it branch out to all of these people yang these conspiracy theories lah that goes out to try to debunk these things, and then they always find loopholes macam kau cakap gini asal gini, kau cakap gini asal gini. So in flat earth, okay, I wouldn't say I'm 100% understand. Aku 100% understand the theory of conspiracy theory of flat earth. Aku tak cakap. Okay. Aku just see, okay, maybe this is right. Sebab dia punya ideology dia kan, earth is flat, kita ada ice wall around it, and then there's actually
Ice wall.
There's
Okay.
ice wall around it.
Ice wall around
And then there's more land out of this ice wall.
Oh my.
Kau tahu AOT tak?
AOT.
Attack of Titans.
Tak, aku tak
Attack
tengok.
of Titans, nobody watch?
Anime.
Kau tak watch anime?
Tak, kita semua tengok. Kita tengok Al-Quran.
Allah.
Alhamdulillah, insyaAllah Ustaz.
So,
Rasul.
sama, okay, never mind, forget that. Where
Still, don't forget that. Aku want to know
the
more.
anime, the anime nanti.
Okay, not the anime yang.
So the ice wall.
Okay.
So there is more land out there, and kita ni kira kan actually controlled by this group.
Okay,
je.
sekejap.
Wait.
Cerita yang Yang dia tu act lah. Yang cerita yang dia tu act.
Siapa?
Yang dia dalam satu dome, habis his whole life is a movie.
Oh, Truman.
See?
So dia macam gitu ke macam mana
Yes. So kalau korang realise kan, there's a lot of movies out there yang dorang nak keluarkan cerita ni tapi they
Tak boleh blatantly lah.
Yep. So kenapa? Where do you get the idea from? Yang kita ada macam kita live in this zone, this dome, in this area saja. Sama macam you see if you go macam videos also, you go research on videos kan, that macam tu Elon Musk punya rockets every time fly pergi sky mesti meletup, hit dia punya firmament lah orang kata lah, akan pecah, boom.
Habis macam mana NASA dulu kan, NASA nak tunjuk dorang fly up to space kan. So roket tu suara naik, dia tak turun balik apa?
Pecah lah. Dalam masa dia tak tunjuk.
Okay.
Kira dia punya NASA dia tak naik lah. That actual spaceship.
Yep. The rocket itself lah. What? But the reason why it's easy for them to actually dictate kita punya mind kan, is because kita have no access. Bukan kita boleh pergi tengok. Betul lah,
100%,
ada lah.
100%,
Betul lah.
yeah.
That's one thing. That's why to me macam I feel lah, personally I feel like kita have launched satellites tapi it's still in the zone. Tapi kalau kita nak berbalikkan pada agama, that's why I feel kenapa kita tak boleh pecah, sebab kita ada langit pertama pun kita tak boleh tembus. Kalau ikut agama lah. Ada, I understand some people say langit pertama tu dah jauh sampai ke Milky Way lah, tapi kalau kita shrink it in size, kita tak boleh pecah langit pertama pun. That's why bila diorang terbang roket tu, dia tak pernah tembus to outside of this space itself. So yalah, kalau
Okay, next siapa yang nak berbual?
Tak, as in,
They have your own
it's
opinion.
macam this is news.
Yeah,
This is
macam
news.
so aku am a round earther lah. Is that what they normal lah, kira aku normal punya orang. But
tak normal.
bukan kau kira macam kau done your research. So the fact yang kau cakap this is news to aku rasa for Hailey also this is news to
Aku
us.
rasa kau seorang
First
yang
person
aku
aku
tahu.
Ya.
percaya dalam ni flat earth.
Okay, sekejap aku nak tambah. So if you say the earth is round, now I ask you.
No, I didn't say the earth is round. I said
Sorry,
Apa?
the earth is flat. So the moon is
apa kena benda?
Okay,
moon is
okay.
round.
He's got a valid point.
moon is round.
yeah. Oh, the moon is round.
The moon is round, tak kena benda kita.
How do you know?
Because of what kita see.
Circle apa?
Because kita see, kita tak, kita bukan pergi moon, kita tengok earth.
But you tahu it's round.
Yelah pasal kita tengok moon,
Kita
habis
see
kita
what the
nampak dia circle apa?
Okay, then the planets?
Apa yang kita
Saturn,
nampak?
Mercury, Mars.
Okay, like I said, earth, I'm not talking about anything else tau.
Okay.
I'm talking about earth je. Yang lain semua bulat.
So
Faham
kau
tak?
saying that there is a possibility that out of perhaps
Okay.
7 planets in our ecosystem, sorry, solar system, kita je flat.
The flat earth ni tadi kan,
Yes.
the moon and the sun doesn't revolve around tau. Dia tak revolve. This is the land moon, sun, dia pusing gini. There's a flat earth ni tadi.
Macam mana? Gini?
Itu tak silap aku tahu.
Sebab dia langgar dengan Al-Quran ni.
Move,
Okay.
dia pusing macam gini.
How the full?
Bulat lah, bulat
Begitu?
lah. Bulat lah.
So it's not like that.
Tak.
Okay, dalam Quran?
Dalam Quran dia kena bulat.
Tak, sebab dalam Quran ada dalam surah Yasin, wa kullu fi falaki yasbahun. Which is in wa kullu fi falaki yasbahun means setiap dia punya planet dia apa namanya? Ikut ke dia beredar dalam garisan edarannya. Faham tak?
Tak.
Okay. Kira dia punya guiding line lah.
Yes, dia ada dia punya guiding line. Which is the sun, then semuanya. Because the main there is the sun. Actually kalau ni ada you if you have a whiteboard ke apa, I can show you the Quran punya magical in this ayat actually. So it's everything is tengah pusing kat dia punya sun dia itself.
Apa nama
So
dia?
pusing gini ke gini?
Dia gini.
Tu.
Bulat.
Boleh.
Yeah. So
Okay.
for me lah, mustahil kalau the bumi flat tapi yang lain bulat.
Okay, of course.
Faham?
Yes.
Okay, tapi kalau kita backtrack sikit to what kau said just now, being we are what humans see so far is everything yang kita nampak ni, all the countries, all the 7 continents. Lepas tu kau naikkan that ice wall, Then kau cakap lepas tu ada lagi tanah yang kita belum nampak. Then there's a chance that kau faham tak? Aku don't know. Macam
no, like I said,
Macam ice wall tadi. Macam kau ice wall, you said you ada ice wall, then you have something after the ice
that,
wall.
yeah.
But can we see the ice wall?
Can we see the ice wall?
The one after the ice wall?
Kita
no one
nampak.
has seen it lah.
Kita
No
cannot
one has
pass
seen it.
So this is an assumption, correct?
This is actually dulu-dulu punya map. Like way before bukan prehistoric lah, prehistoric dinosaur dulu zaman dulunya map. Macam I think
Roman map
berapa
lah.
hundreds yeah.
Okay, sabar dia.
Okay, sabar okay.
Okay.
Before kita go into deeper aku
Ni kena 2 episod ni.
Aku just want to explain to everybody yang listening aku bukan 100% flat earther.
100%,
Okay. This is what aku dengar, aku share dengan korang.
Yeah.
Sebab kalau at the end of the day, if ada dalam Quran, aku akan go back.
Yep.
That aku of course. So this is just for fun. Kita share.
Dia actually dalam Al-Quran.
Kita selamatkan aku selamat
Gini,
botak dulu. Nanti orang nanti hati aku.
Let me selamatkan you.
Okay.
Sebab dalam Al-Quran ada memang al-arda mihada, maknanya dan hamparan daripada bumi. So orang bilang hamparan is the flatness of this one. That's
Okay.
Tapi ada satu. Wait. But you need to understand apa yang kita nampak flat.
100%.
Tak semestinya is flat.
The meaning kan.
It can
Faham.
be it's round, tapi what
Faham.
we can see is flat. So kadang-kadang Allah SWT will go into kita punya understanding.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sekejap. Ini untuk Fad. Ini soalan untuk Ustaz Fad. Maafkan saya Ustaz. So dia cakap kalau kita naik aeroplane, pilot ikut flat map, flat earthers punya map. So macam mana Ustaz Fad nak explain tu? Because right now I am on the fence.
Okay.
Aku don't know whether the earth is flat or the earth is round.
Can I add
Okay.
to your point?
Just go down from the fence first.
Yeah. Okay. Slowly.
I add one more point to his.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kalau kita naik kapal terbang, nanti kita naik kapal terbangan. Kita dah tinggi apa?
Yeah.
Kalau this earth is round, kita dah at that 1,000 feet kan, berapa ribu feet kan, kita should see a curvature. Sikit. At least ada curvature. Tapi tak ada. Kita kalau tengok horizon kan, it's always straight.
You asked the pilot before?
Yes. Tak ada, this is research punya all the pilots in interviews.
Wait.
I never ask a personal
Okay.
pilot lah, like I said lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aku ada
You
kawan
can
satu
see the
pilot.
age.
Yeah.
Now, how far you can see
How far?
as a human being?
As far as the horizon.
Yeah.
But you won't know something behind there. True. If you can go, if you go on a ship, okay, you take the Titanic or whatever,
Titanic cannot.
Caribbean,
Okay. Virgo.
the Caribbean, you sit on the ship or you stand on the ship, you look naik cruise ke apa, you tengok straight. You boleh nampak macam mana? Sampai situ ada macam ada ujung dia.
Yeah.
If you say it's
Tapi tu on the
flat,
ground.
if you say it's flat, then it will be all the way you can see. If you say
Because
pandangan mata,
kita-
you can see sampai ujung dunia tau.
That's why I say kita ke atas tau. I mean because it's far. Of course you cannot see
Okay.
at the end. Faham tak? Kalau kita
sekejap.
tinggi, of course kitanya eyes cannot
Yeah,
see
but just
really
now
at
you
the
just
end.
said about you akan nampak kalau jauh ke, you nampak curve apa.
Yes, at least a curvature because okay, as simple as
There's
this.
no curvature.
Okay, the world ni round. Okay, kalau kita ikut building, kalau kita ikut infrastructure, this is yang architect punya explanation.
Okay.
Kalau the earth is round, there's this bridge yang panjang gila tau, the longest bridge in the world. I don't know lah mana lah. This is what I explain.
Okay.
Kalau the earth is curved, the bridge itself must be curved sikit as well. Nak kena ikut. Tapi tak. Kenapa bridge is straight?
Huh?
Faham tak?
Oh.
Because the earth is round.
Tapi dia straight ke bridge tu?
Allah lama. This is apa yang, like I said lah, this is just information that
Okay.
aku see online.
Okay,
Aku
so
just see.
going back to the plane theory.
Ah.
Okay, kau cakap pilots use
Dia buat
flat
the
earthers.
interview pilots
Yeah.
and say, do you see a curvature every time kau fly?
Correct.
Kita, no, there's no
Okay, so my
curvature.
question is, if the world is flat, there must be a limit as to when it drops,
Yep,
correct?
yep.
Yeah.
So kalau kau rembat itu plane, kau rembat pampum, tipulah tak ada satu pilot yang nak macam
So every
Kau
time
faham
orang,
tak? Kau kira ni tak?
to what aku as
Yes.
lah, I hear and read tu ni kan. Every time macam this kind of macam personal private pilots kan, pergi pecah, nanti akan kena escort. Dorang ada dia punya system, the radar dia, where all this tu macam fighter jets akan stop them and they have to U-turn balik.
Oh.
ini dia
And
punya
okay, which part? Near which country?
Allah lama, I cannot say that. I don't know.
Dia interesting lah, interesting.
I mean,
It's interesting.
It's fun to think about. It's fun to think
Cuma
about.
masalah dia, I still don't believe.
Yeah,
This is my decision.
yeah.
Tapi Ustaz Fad, dia ada macam ada yang bercanggah dengan Islam tak?
Tak ada
Pasal
lah,
kalau
it's
ada
This
Yeah.
Gua round
about
over punya,
science.
Syul.
This is science.
Kalau Islam kata orang apa?
Wah, siam tai
I
chi
mean, this
dia.
thing also scholars also debate
Oh, do they?
each other.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course.
Interesting
Yes.
I mean,
So if you want to say that he's totally 100% right, cannot say also.
Ya.
tak perlu
Me
bagi-
100% also right. Also
Yalah.
sebab
Yalah.
kita sendiri nak senang prove kan, kita sendiri terbang di atas tengok di bawah.
Try.
Sebab kita ada like I said that time you cakap pasal the Red Bull.
Yeah.
Atas tu kenapa you see the round apa semua, all this kind of things lah. Actually betul-betul boleh lah korang boleh dengar. Kalau kita nak go on conspiracy theory kan, it's an endless debate. But it's
100%.
very like I said I mean pada all the listeners lah, if you guys are interested in this kind of things, korang can actually research a lot of things, especially macam Illuminati, how ditubuhkan, atau siapa tu Rothschild, apa itu New World Order, siapa yang memegang bumi ni, you know, dia akan kena mena sampai ke Dajjal.
Oh.
Yeah, it's connected all the way, the build up sampai ke sana. So it's fun to think about, tapi jangan taksub.
betul.
Jangan bercanggahkan dengan agama juga, sebab
Yeah.
itu akan nanti kasih korang confused. It's just nice to just have fun in knowledge.
Yeah, aku malah tak boleh tidur,
Dia macam tease kau punya brain.
Yeah.
Macam betul juga
Yeah.
macam as simple as macam the sun, this is earth punya size kecil macam gini, macam coin lah taruh earth the sun is this big. Literally macam
Yep.
kita how many hundred
Yeah,
thousand
kecil
times
je,
size
yeah.
kan, betul tak? Kenapa bila walaupun dia jauh, asal bila align dia jadi sama size? How perfect
Sorry?
can it be?
Apa?
Eclipse.
Eclipse.
Bukan yang Seven tau, jual eclipse bukan. Ya salam. Bila so if the sun is that big kan, even though it's from a distance kan, kenapa dia jadi eclipse?
Pasal konsep shadow lah. Because the
Tak,
moon
kenapa just nice? It's just nice, perfect apa?
Oh, the
Sun
period in terms of the size of
Bila
the sun
align,
and the moon.
Sama apa bila align sun and the moon? Betul tak?
tak,
Maybe because the moon is closer
Tak.
to us.
Kalau macam
Yeah,
gitu,
that's
bumi
just-
boleh tutup planet lain tak?
Bumi.
So macam kita ada eclipse kan? Ada planet ada eclipse juga tak?
Itu nak kena
Apa
tanya
dah
dorang lah,
sampai
Ustaz.
ke next planet lah. Nanti kita pergi ke Mareh. Nanti kita
Mari.
So contoh macam gitu. Ada tak tertutup?
Wallah,
Tapi it's
wallah.
not eclipse.
Oh,
Maybe
aku get his point.
bumi yang tutup.
Because if bumi tutup and adanya eclipse dekat Mars atau Jupiter or Saturn or whatnot, that proves that the Earth is round.
Yeah.
Kalau nampak
I
shadow
don't know.
satu line,
Faham.
I mean lah.
Tak cantik.
Satu macam miring-miring sikit.
Boleh
Betul.
Kan?
Betul. Okay, then
That's a
proves
valid
the
point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Faham.
Yeah.
Tapi ni based on aku
research
baru
lah.
tengok ni. Dia yang cakap bumi ni bulat, the few betul-betul popular ulama scholars.
Okay.
Dia ada Ibnu Hazm, Ibnu Al-Jawi, Ibnu Taimiyah pernah dengar also. So Muhammad Ibnu Hazm, Abul Faraj Ibnu Al-Jauzi, semua cakap bumi ni is round because dia ikut pada istidrakul aflak, which is dia memutarkan malam atas siang dan memutarkan siang atas malam. So
Okay.
the change of the day.
Night and day lah.
Night and day.
Okay.
Tapi ada ulama yang cakap otherwise the Earth is flat.
Itulah tengah cari tapi tak ada. Ada. Jap.
Allahu Akbar.
Okay, Ibnu
Dah takut.
Jufri. tak ada.
Kau head aku siapa tadi?
Aku dah beli Zul.
Dia ada
Allah.
buku ni namanya Muqaddimah.
Okay.
Dia tulis Ibnu Khaldun, dia tulis yang bumi ni bulat.
Maybe the earth is round.
Ada Ibnu Hazm.
Tapi it's definitely
It's something. It's a
Yes,
mind
yes.
teaser. Dia
Yeah.
mind teaser. Dia macam gelitik-gelitik mind kau.
gitu-gitu
As I said lah, like I said tadi.
There's no proof actually.
Like I said, benda ni jangan masuk dengan agama. Kita just
Yeah.
fun discussion, kan, macam just
True,
think
true,
about
true,
it.
true,
true. Yeah.
And actually ada banyak lagi conspiracy theories. Maybe kita do this kind of episode once in a while just to tease everybody lah.
Yeah, kita
Pasal
suka tease
ada sebab
Okay.
kalau korang nak dengar macam more, bukan conspiracy theories, this is actually actual fact atau knowledge. Actually korang can check macam Ustaz Auni
Tak ni.
on YouTube. korang check Ustaz Auni, he will spread. Tapi knowledge dia memang masya-Allah. Really
Right, right.
Kita wish to see him someday. Really dia punya knowledge sampai A sampai Z kau macam.
And dia hafal nama-nama.
How can you
Nama-nama siapa? Apa?
Nama-nama siapa-siapa lah
Everything
yang
macam-
ada.
Dia scholar? Is he a scholar?
Dia
Ustaz bukan
dekat
scholar.
Malaysia.
He should be a
We
scholar
can call him a
at this
scholar.
point.
Can lah.
Kalau kau
Yes.
boleh buka YouTube kat sini nanti kita buka kita tengok.
Okay.
Memang amazing.
Yep.
Interesting.
Yes. Okay, dah boleh?
Right.
Dah ready? Happy?
Yeah. Okay, happy.
Okay.
So jawapan dia adalah kita pun tak tahu kan.
Tapi kalau ikut, kalau kita like I said, at the end of the day kita ikut kepada Al-Quran lah. Kalau Al-Quran tu yes, kita follow.
InsyaAllah bila kita
Faith.
InsyaAllah bila kita bersama-sama nanti ke Jannatul Firdaus,
InsyaAllah kita akan tanya benda ni.
tanya.
Kita
Aku
akan tanya.
Aku kau tanya punya.
Aku
So
tu-
actually flat ke round? Macam gitu
Tapi
lah.
once you're there, would it matter?
Yes.
Dia macam
Doesn't matter tu.
It doesn't matter. It
Oh
doesn't
yeah, kau dah cakap yes, it matters. Kau dah cakap yes, it matters. Kau tunggu Ustaz cakap it doesn't, kau macam oh yeah, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. Tapi
But-
it would be nice to know.
Yeah,
Kan?
just macam-
But you won't terfikir pun.
You're in paradise.
Okay.
Why would you think about
Kejap
that?
soalan kecil tapi
kita dah berapa minit kejap. Sorry.
Dah berapa minit? Cik dah stop recording.
Tak. Tadi my last tunjuk 26.
28. Okay,
we
last
have to cut.
question.
No, we have to cut.
Oh
30.
man.
We have to
Aku
cut.
Okay.
last question.
Okay, kita boleh nak sambung tak?
Entah korang.
Mana-mana kita masuk to the second episode
Okay.
then kita masuk sikit lah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much everybody sebab tune in this episode of Conspiracy Theory lah. Okay,
Best.
tak ada jangan terlalu serius sangat benda ni. Kita happy saja. InsyaAllah kalau nak dengar lagi lebih, jangan lupa untuk komen kat kita punya Spotify.
Betul.
Kalau ada korang ada komen macam nak dengar macam ni ke, pasal tu ke,
Topik-topik
selain
ke.
daripada sirah, selain daripada hadis, selain daripada current affairs, kita boleh saja open topic about anything and anywhere under the
Yes.
sun.
Jangan
Okay.
lupa untuk like dan juga share kita punya Facebook tak ada.
Facebook tak
Kita
ada.
punya Instagram, kita punya TikTok,
TikTok.
kita punya YouTube
Mhm.
and Spotify kita.
Yes, okay. Sehingga berjumpa lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Good fight.